The world is facing a growing shortage of a critical resource due to the US-Iran war. And it's not oil, it's helium. While often associated with party balloons, helium, a rare, non-renewable gas, is essential for MRI machines in hospitals, semiconductor manufacturing, space exploration, and cutting-edge scientific research. In fact, there is no viable substitute, making helium one of the most strategically important yet overlooked resources in the world. Before we get into the details, take a look at our April 2026 magazine issue highlighting fading winter in India. If you want in-depth coverage of this transition, please subscribe to our magazine Down to Earth. Also remember to follow us on YouTube for more stories like these. Helium is not produced independently. Rather, it emerges as a byproduct of natural gas processing. Therefore, fluctuations in liquefied natural gas (LNG) production directly influence helium availability. Amid ongoing tensions in West Asian countries affecting key global shipping routes, particularly around the Persian Gulf, supplies of LNG and helium have been disrupted, along with oil and other natural resources. Prices have already surged by nearly 50%, and experts warn the situation could worsen in the coming months. For decades, the United States had a safeguard against exactly this kind of crisis: the Federal Helium Reserve. At its peak, it supplied nearly 40% of the world's helium and helped stabilize prices during supply disruptions. But that safety net is now gone. The dismantling of the reserve began in 1996 under a privatization push backed by then-President Bill Clinton and House Speaker Newt Gingrich, with support from the Heritage Foundation. Lawmakers at the time argued that the private sector could handle supply more efficiently and that the reserve was outdated. Over the next 3 decades, the US federal government steadily sold off its helium stockpile, despite repeated warnings from scientists, medical experts, and industry leaders. Multiple global shortages between 2006 and 2023 proved those concerns valid, disrupting research and even delaying life-saving medical procedures. Still, the sell-off continued. By 2024, the United States had completely depleted its helium reserve, removing a crucial buffer just as global demand was about to surge. Experts say this is exactly why the Federal Helium Reserve was designed, to prevent such a crisis. Without it, the market now prioritizes those who can pay the most and not those who need it the most, shooting its prices and exacerbating its availability in the global markets. Today, the demand for helium is being driven by the rapid growth of artificial intelligence (AI) and data centers, which rely heavily on semiconductors, which are produced using helium. At the same time, supply chains have become increasingly fragile, with much of the world's helium coming from geopolitically sensitive regions like Qatar and Russia. According to the S&P Global Energy, India is 100% import dependent for helium, making many industries such as healthcare, MRI, semiconductors and electronics, fiber optics and display manufacturing, etc. in the country acutely vulnerable to global disruptions. Over 50% of India's imports traditionally come from Qatar, which accounts for some 34% of global helium exports. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestions, please comment down below.